Hi, this is Rich from A1 Foundation Crack Repair, known as the Crackman. I'm here with Brendan Kilcoyne, VP of H&K Insurance, and he's an expert in dealing with condominium master policies in the individual units also. We had talked about a few of the important things that as a property manager, or as a unit owner, they should look into the master policy. And this is on employee dishonesty. Could you tell us something about that?
Yeah, thanks, Rich. So employee dishonesty coverage, it has a few different names to it. A lot of insurance coverages, they have different names to it. So it's also called crime coverage or fidelity coverage, or a crime bond, it's sometimes called. But it all means the same thing. If someone is stealing money from the association, whether that be a property manager, a treasurer, whoever has access to bank accounts and condo fees, it sometimes can take a few months before that's found out and it's caught onto. And in that time, bills have accumulated, expenses, and they're out that money. So the employee dishonesty coverage reimburses the association for that money that was stolen, defrauded, embezzled from the association, so that they can still continue to operate as a business. I think a big misconception with a lot of people that own units and condos is they don't think it's a business, but a condo association is absolutely a business. So it's a business that can get stolen from. And what we find is that a lot of times this coverage is underinsured. A lot of condominiums have reserve accounts that can be in the hundreds of thousands. We've seen millions of dollars in reserve accounts. And they have hundreds of thousands of dollars a year in money going back and forth with condo fees and with the budget and bills being paid. And then they're covered for $50,000 of employee dishonesty. It's just not enough. So really taking a look at that number and making sure it covers you not only for the reserves, but for 3 to 6 months of operational budget is really the bare minimum that you should have. Anything less than that, and you should be quickly going to your agent and asking them, A, why they didn't know about this issue, and B, how quickly can they fix the problem.
That can be a very, very important thing to have as a rider on the, or in your policy, so that the condominium association is not stuck in a bad situation. Thanks again.
Thanks, Rich.